Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that sine 3x we put into x plus 2x. So we have the formula in here. Sine A plus B equals to sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B. So we apply this formula on this one. So we will have about sine x cosine 2x plus cosine x sine 2x. We see that cosine 2x divided by cosine 2x. So we will have about sine x. The integration of sine x, we have negative cosine x and we have this integration in here. We know that sine 2x, that's about 2 sine x cosine x. Cosine x with cosine x, we have cosine x squared. This one, we change to cosine x squared minus 1. And now, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x du. We have negative sine x dx. Next, we put the negative sign go to the left. This one we change by u square. Sine x dx we change by negative du. So that should be like this. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 over the square root of number 2 secant of t du. We will have about 1 over the square root of number 2 secant of t tan t dt. So we put this one go in here and this one go in here. Du, that's about this one. So this one we have 1 over 2 secant of t square. Similar for this one. Two divided by 2, 2 divided by 2. And I will put about 1 over the square root of number 2 go outside. Secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square. We simplify tan t. And secant of t go in here. This one, that's about 1 over cosine t to the power of 3. This one is about sine t over cosine t. We simplify cosine t on numerator and denominator. And we can put this one go to the denominator. Next, number 1 represent about cosine t square plus sine t square. So cosine t square divided by cosine t square, sine t square divided by sine t. So we will have about 1 over sine t plus sine t over cosine t square. This one is about cosecant of t. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equal to cosine t dz equal to negative sine t dt. Because we don't have the negative, so we put the negative next to dz. So this one we put about z square sine t dt, we change by negative dz. The integration of this one, we have 1 over z plus c. About z, that's about cosine t. And we put about c. And now, we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t. The integration of this one, we have 1 over cosine t. And we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we multiply both sides by the square root of number 2. And we have t equals to arcsecant of this one. So we put this one to replace for t. Now, about u, that is about cosine s. Now, we combine the answer in here. So, this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.